Hello everyone, welcome to the Dragon Software channel. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an automatic Facebook account farming software. This tool helps you create high-trust Facebook accounts and manage them effortlessly. This is the software interface. To farm accounts, we'll select the Account Interact section. This section lets you set up interaction scripts for your accounts. Here, I'll create an account farming script. I'll set it up so these accounts automatically scroll through the newsfeed, view stories, check notifications, and interact with friends. With this software, you can create multiple scripts. When running this feature, the Facebook accounts will have an extensive activity history, making Facebook recognize them as real accounts. This reduces the likelihood of your accounts being locked. As you can see, the software can simulate nearly all the actions of a regular user, allowing you to manage multiple accounts for different purposes. Personally, I use the software to farm accounts specifically for marketing purposes. When you use the software, you'll have specific workflows for account farming. We provide the best scripts that have been thoroughly tested. This is a day-by-day workflow to optimize account quality. Once I've set up the desired script, I'll select it along with the accounts, then click Start. The software will automatically control the accounts to follow the preset script. So, I've just shown you how to easily farm Facebook accounts using automation software. If you need any more information, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The contact info is pinned in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.